Now our next topic is universal set. The basic set is called universal set, denoted by capital U. For example, the set of real numbers can be a universal set for set of all rational numbers, integers, whole numbers and natural numbers. Our next topic is Venn diagrams. What is a Venn diagram? It is the representation of relationship between sets. Here, the universal set is represented by a rectangle and other sets are represented by circles. Now our next topic is operations on sets. The first operation is union of sets. The union of two sets A and B is the set which consists all those elements which are either in A or in B, including which are in both, denoted by A. This sign looks like U, but we read it as union. A union B is equal to X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. Here we have to pay some attention to this OR. This will help us in probability. So all the elements in A or B and the including elements which are in both is A union B. This shaded area is A union B. This rectangle is universal set. This set is A and this set is B. Now their properties are A union B is equal to B union A union B union C is equal to A union B union C. A union null set is A and A union A is A. Universal set union A is universal set. Now our next topic is intersection of set. This isn't our next topic, this is the next operation of set. So it is the intersection of two sets A and B is the set of all those elements which belong to both A and B, denoted by A. This sign is intersection. A intersection B is equal to X such that X belongs to A and B. All the elements which are in A and B in the area which is shaded. So this is A intersection B. Now there is a definition which is disjoint sets. If A intersection B is null set, that means no element is common in both the sets. Then A and B are disjoint sets. Their properties are A intersection B is equal to B intersection A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C. And A intersection null set is null set. A intersection A is A. A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. इसको ना हम एक और तरीके से समझ सकते हैं, जैसे हम ऐसे करते हैं ना कि 5 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3 प्लस 2, तो उसको हम लिखते हैं 5 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3 प्लस 5 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2. तो हम इसे वैसे ही समझ सकते हैं कि A इंटरसेक्शन B यूनियन A इंटरसेक्शन C.